Right, we're just going back to revisit a pond we done 3 years ago. A little cabin that's been put up. Here's the pond. It's a bit of a windy day. And just walking into the waterfall, up to the waterfall. Try and get the best angles for the waterfall. The video don't really warrant it, what it looks like really. Try and pick the sound up. The rocks we used are weathered limestone rocks, and some of them are very heavy. We used a mini digger to put them in place. The pump driving this waterfall is a swimming pool pump, and it's a 1 horsepower pump. I'll just pause it. Just getting a different view from the side. I'm going to walk round the pond. As you notice, the water is so clear. Like I say, it's a windy day. Just walking around the other side of the pond to see behind the scenes what's filtering the pond. This is actually a 12,000 gallon pond. Right. What we got here is 2 6-pot Genesis range and 2 twin 36 watt stainless steel smart start UVs. I'll just tell you a bit about the filtration. It comes in through a settlement chamber, which slowly turns and makes the solids fall to the bottom, and then it goes through some brushes to take the bigger lumps. As the water goes through the filter, the filtration is designed to take different size solids. This is a biological chamber, flow core. So it goes through the flow core, and then it comes through Japanese matting, and then more Japanese matting. Then the final chamber goes through 3 sets of foam, a different grade, and then through aqua rock, which is like a volcanic rock, which is like a biological medium as well, and then goes up and then through back to the pond. As it rises up, as the foams start to block up, the water rises up and it goes over the T there. That's to tell you the foams need cleaning, and that's to stop the whole filter from overflowing. And here's your ultraviolet lights. This is the view from the back of the filter. This is the sort of setup you need to keep your water nice and clear through the summer months. And like I say, this is filtering 12,000 gallons. The bigger the pond, the more water you have, the more filtration and ultraviolets you need, and the bigger the pump. This pond has been built by perrysponds.com. If you'd like to have any information about ponds, please look at my website. Thank you.